ratio/root tests. Now, for both these circumstances, you're going to take a limit, right? For the ratio test, it's going to be the limit of a to the n plus 1 over a to the n. Now, for the root test, it's going to be limit of the nth root of a to the n. And for both these, you're looking for the same thing. If L is greater than 1, it's going to diverge. If L is less than 1, it is going to converge. And if L equals 1, the test fails. And you'll have to use another one. Now, this right here, the top one, this is the ratio test. And this is the root test. Now, the ratio test works really well when you have powers of n. For example, the series n to the fourth over 4 to the n. So series n to the fourth over 4 to the n equals 1, infinity. So we're adding up all these terms. Now, what this looks like is the limit of n plus 1. So n plus 1 to the fourth over 4 to the n plus 1 times n to the fourth over 4 to the n. Because this is a sub n plus 1, and this is a sub n. Now, what you will notice is that these two, 4 to the n and 4 to the n plus 1, this is going to be a bunch of 4s for however many n terms we have, and this is going to be a bunch of 4s for however many n terms we have. But this 4 right here on the bottom, that 4 is going to occur one more time. So this is actually the limit of n plus 1 to the fourth over 4n to the fourth. And if you look at this, this is n to the fourth over 4n to the fourth equal to the limit of n to the fourth over 4n to the fourth, which is equal to 1/4. Now, this is less than 1, so it converges. Now, the root test is very useful when you have a function, a summation, where it's to the power of n. So if we do, say, 1 over n to the power of n from n equals 1 to infinity, and we take the limit of nth root of 1 over n to the n, well, these two things are going to cancel out, and this is going to be the limit of 1 over n. And this limit is going to approach 0. Right? Limit as n approaches infinity, because we're going to get bigger and bigger numbers on bottom, while the top remains the same. So this converges by root test. And if we did the same thing, but we say we had 4n over n to the power of n, when we take the limit of the nth root of 4n over n to the power of n as n approaches infinity, these two would cancel out. We get the limit of 4n over n, which is going to be equal to 4, and this would diverge by the root test.